All right, let's go to Deborah Kostroun at the NYSE to take a look at how investors reacted to today's revolutionary news, or not so revolutionary news, taking place in Egypt. Stocks coming back at the end of the day. A lot of buyers stepping in, Deborah.
Right, a lot of buyers stepping in, and this is kind of interesting because I was speaking to traders on the trading floor, and they said, hey, all day we were weak, even from the open, not much going on, and all day long we were very quiet, hardly any volume today. And of course, we were waiting most of the afternoon for the president's speech, and when we finally got it, it was right near the closing bell, and that was when we actually did see at least the market coming off the worst level of the day. So for much of the day, traders here really in a wait-and-see mode, and that's going to be very interesting as we get into the overnight and see how many more developments we do have, to see the situation on the ground in Egypt and how the international markets will actually react as well. Now, that's one of the things that traders really looking at, and that has been the emerging markets and how they've been doing over the past week. One of the things that we've been seeing that weakness, and we saw that weakness again today. A lot of that really based on inflation concerns and the fact that we could see borrowing costs going higher, especially with what we got from China a couple of days ago. Also, traders looking at that Egypt ETF as well. You can kind of see, if we can bring up the chart on the ETF, it was losing ground right near the close. It was doing quite well throughout much of the day, but losing ground right near the close, and that, of course, was when Mubarak was starting to speak. So Pimm, the reaction here is we're really just kind of waiting on the overnight developments because it was a pretty quiet day leading up to the speech. Back to you.
All right. Thank you very much, Deborah Kostroun, reporting from the New York Stock Exchange.